was interesting. Today we just made this new hill climb and we just cleared it. There was a little bit of a, well, it was an animal track, and we cleared the bushes away. And right at the top it gets super steep. So I'm expecting lots of fun. Marcos is preparing for the first try of the new hill climb. Will he be successful? We've got the rescue helicopter flying overhead. The Red Bull helicopter. Here he comes. What the fuck did I hit? You hit the tree stump. The one I said to be careful of. The second attempt. See if we can miss the tree stump this time. Awesome. Yeah, nice. Woo! Yeah, it's good. We need to clear up there. So today I'm riding my 2017 KTM 250 XC, and as you can see here, it's done just over 455 hours. So today is actually my last ride before I overhaul the engine. So I'm going to be doing a full overhaul, including the bottom end, and I'm going to be overhauling the crankshaft as well. And I'll make a series of videos, so if you're interested in those, be sure to look out for them. Woo! That was interesting. Woo! Better, almost made it. Wow, much better. Yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, it's not much fun coming down. It's super slick. The bike starts sliding, your feet start sliding, then you start going faster and faster. Really the only thing you can do is dump the bike.
You gonna give it another go?
Absolutely. I think even today we can do it, if you get it just right.
I think we can. I almost did it last
The run-up is so important though, because you can't really open it up that much once you're on the slope. It's very difficult to get drive, unless you had a new tyre, of course.
Like yours?
Mine's not new. I think mine's more worn than yours. Certainly older.
Tire is not an excuse. It's
No.
definitely doable.
Traction control. That's half the fun, riding with an old tire in slick conditions.
If you have a new tire, you don't learn.
Yeah.
A lot of things you miss the opportunities to
Right.
learn.
Ah! Oh man! Oh man! I'm right at the top, but not at the top. Yeah, I hate going down here though. I think I'll traverse, try and get up. Woo! Oh man, made it. Yes, wasn't pretty, but I'm up. Woohoo! So we're doing well at finding new stuff today. Earlier we found quite a fun hill climb, and now we found this rocky little stream, and we spent a little while clearing out the logs and trees from it, from storm damage, but pretty much left the rocks in place, and it looks pretty interesting. It's reasonably long, so we'll see how it goes. 5 seconds later. Yeah, this bit's a bit tricky. Oh, I found traction. Wow, that was fun. Whoa, need to clear this bit of trees now. Woo, it's good fun.
Yeah.
After I calmed down. I was a bit overexcited at the beginning. There is traction. Oh, he's cheating. Cheating.
No, because you actually
Ooh.
move it this way.
Yeah, yeah.
Way down.
Yeah, yeah. Oi!